video is about some examples of ideal values and operational values and how they can come in conflict with each other. So one example of an ideal or long-term value for you could be you want health and longevity. An operation or now value, one of your actions could be choosing to eat fast food in order to save time versus packing nourishing food from home. Eating fast food is not a problem once, but rather making it a daily thing can have impacts on your health and longevity long term. Look, operational values aren't always wrong. They just don't always serve our optimal health and well-being. Another example of an ideal value would be you want to be fit, yet you recently suffered from an injury. So your operational value, the action you take, you choose to do your prescribed therapeutic exercise because it helps your immediate mood, and it also supports your overall goal of being fit. That is a positive example of a now value. Another example of a long-term value would be you want to sleep well, but your operational value, the now value, is the action you take is you choose to relax by de-stressing or disconnecting by watching TV late into the evening. That doesn't support your long-term value of sleeping well. Here's some questions for you, and I'd like you to write them down ideally. What is an ideal value that you have? Maybe some of you are going to say health. So whatever it is, just write down in the last 2 days, what did you do that supported that ideal value? The next question is, what have you done that was in conflict with that ideal value? What did you notice? Did you lose or gain anything from this behavior? And finally, what do you need to do to achieve your ideal value? Write out a plan. And ideally, what you can do is tie it into your SMART goals. Take some time to answer those questions on a piece of paper so it's written out in front of you. And go back to it.